Are you in need of a website, or does your company have a website but it's sort of dull? Well, we are here to help. We can help you design, build, and launch your new website, a website that is fully interactive with video, text, images, blogs, a shopping cart, and whatever else you want. We've helped thousands of customers get their ideal website, and guess what? It costs a lot less than you think. Contact us to get more information on how you can get a brand new dynamic website for your business, product, or service.